Did you know that extreme heat can damage your car's seals and gaskets or even shorten the lifespan of your EV battery? The desert sun can take a serious toll, but we have the perfect solution. Introducing Anthem's $3,900 Garage Mini Split promotion, designed to protect your vehicle and keep your garage at the perfect temperature. Here's what you get with this incredible deal. 15 feet of electrical included, streamlined installation so you can start cooling fast. Wi-Fi-enabled control, adjust the temperature right from your phone. A handheld remote, stay in control from anywhere in the garage. High efficiency, keeps your energy bills low, even in the Coachella Valley heat. Financing options, making it easy to protect your investment today. Act fast. This special offer is only available through February 2025. Don't wait until the heat takes its toll. Protect your vehicle now. Call 855-268-4369 or visit anthemcv.com to book your installation today. Stay cool and drive happy with Anthem Air, Conditioning and Heating. See you soon.